All right. So, BlizzCon came today, and there is a new celebration collection pack. I'm going to pull this up on my screen real quick so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. Um, pretty, pretty standard. So, there's three different type packs. You know, Epic Pack, Heroic Pack, Essentials Pack, and yeah, so I bought the Epic Pack, the $59.99 one. We're going to open up some loot boxes, see what we got. But before that, I do want to go over what is included in this pack, and then we'll play a little bit of Overwatch, quick play, level up, the huge. So, Blizzard Arcade Collection, which is 3 games, I believe, from some of their older days that they made like 30 years ago. I'm not 100% sure what 3 games they include. Did not take too much of a look at it. Coupon for 15% off a purchase at the Blizzard Gear Store. 10 Madness at the Dark Moon Fair card packs. So, real quick, if you guys, with the coupon for 15% off purchase at the Blizzard Gear Store, if you guys were planning on getting gear, you could essentially get your money back if you buy something that the 15% off is more than the $19.99. So keep that in mind. I would definitely use that coupon for a bigger purchase than something smaller, just to kind of get your money's worth. Tracer's OSV03 Rogue Mount with the Tracer Hero, Heroes of the Storm. 5 loot boxes in Overwatch, which we are going to open up in a second. 30th anniversary player icon and spray for Overwatch, which we'll take a look at in a second. Set of 30th anniversary portraits, StarCraft 2 and StarCraft Remastered. Pet Diablo 3 coming soon. Portrait Diablo 3 coming soon. Moon Touched Netherwhelp Pet World of Warcraft. And so that's everything that's included in the Essentials pack, which was $19.99. In the Heroic pack, which is $39.99, you also get Snowstorm Mount World of Warcraft, which looks pretty cool. Wings Diablo 3 coming soon. Reinhardt Legendary Skin Overwatch, which we'll take a look at in a second. And Random Madness at the Dark Moon Fair Legendary Card Hearthstone. So there's a lot of Hearthstone stuff, so if you are playing Hearthstone, there's some pretty cool stuff. But that is the Heroic pack. And then the Epic pack, which is what I bought, you get 30 days of game time World of Warcraft. So that right there essentially pays for $15 worth, which is about 3/4 of that. 5 Golden Madness at the Dark Moon Fair card packs, Hearthstone. 3 golden loot boxes, which we'll open in a second, and a Transmog set Diablo 3 coming soon. So, pretty cool stuff overall. I decided to buy the Epic pack so you guys can see what you guys are getting if you guys are planning on buying it. So first we're going to look at the we'll look at the where do I do the player icon? So where is the, I wish it showed. I'm not exactly sure which icon it is, to be perfectly honest. There's not really a good order on these. I don't know. It's one of these ones somewhere. So yeah, I would assume it's something cool like 30. I'm probably missing it. It's probably right in front of my eyes. I don't have a whole lot of icons, but I don't know. I guess I don't have it. I don't know. But the Reinhardt Skin. So this is what it looks like. Raynhardt. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah. Looks pretty cool. Probably gonna equip that. This is what the, oopsies. This is what the weapon looks like. Kind of got that cool little like pike at the end of it. Kind of looks like a Guan Yu skin, or like this. I forgot what the Guan Yu weapon is called, like a pike or I don't know. So yeah, that's what that looks like, and now we are going to open up some loot boxes, see what we got. So we got 8 loot boxes, 3 golden loot boxes, a couple other ones, so we will open these up. New player icon, a new spray, her skin. I'll probably equip that because I actually don't know what other skin I have on her. And then another spray. Another gold item, look at that. So yeah. Alright, last golden box. I'll equip that. I don't know what I have for her. I don't think I have anything for her actually. I'll equip it. Nah. I like that. Alright, cool. We got 5 additional loot boxes. Pretty cool stuff. New spray. Don't know what she said. That's a cool player icon. New spray, new voice lines. Next. Next. Bus too small. Next.
Did you mean to do that?
Did you mean to do that? Cool. 2 purples. Look at that. And some currency. 150. New skin. Not as cool as the one I just got.
I choose you, Spirit Dragon.
And then the last box. Ooh, gold one. I like that Sim skin. I have Sim's dragon skin, so I'm not going to equip it, but I do like it. Nice. So pretty decent stuff overall for Overwatch, what you get out of that collection edition. I really do like his skin. I think his skin is definitely worth it. This box is only available for a couple of more. I think it ends in April, so if you want to get this skin with Reinhardt, go for it. I personally think it's worth it. Maybe not the $59.99 one. Like I said, there isn't a whole lot more you get with that. A couple more Hearthstone packs if you're interested in that, but other than that, you could probably go for the Heroic pack and get just as much, but I did want to show you guys those 3 extra golden loot boxes just in case. But if you guys already played this game for a long time, then you're probably not going to get too much stuff that's worth it out of it for Overwatch. But all right, let's play some games. Everyone on YouTube's, thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and we're gonna go ahead and play some Overwatch.